Respected sir or ma'am, I am Krupali Patel studying in semester 8th of AC department. Here I am going to present the presentation regarding our final year project. Our final year project is titled as Smart Traffic Control as it is based on the traffic control system. So my other two group members named is Mayuri Patel and Shivangi Shah. Our internal guide is Mr. Gauran Patel sir from our EC department. So here in this presentation, we are going to discuss the following things that can be shown in this slide. We are going to discuss about the project objective, introduction, block diagram, circuit diagram, component used, applications, and other conclusion and future scope. So here we goes with our project objective. So to improve the traffic flow at the traffic junction, we have developed this project, and also we are going to reduce the chances of accidents at traffic light interaction. The main goal of our system or our project is to reduce the time travel by ambulance to reach the hospital by clearing the lane at traffic junction. Due to the heavy traffic, the ambulance cannot easily pass through the traffic junction. So for that we have developed this project so that ambulance can easily reach the hospital by clearing the lane at traffic junction. So this is the main project objective goal of our project. So in the last slide, we have discussed our project objective. So here I'm going to explain you about the basic working principle of our project. So here in this project, we have used the RF transmission frequency and the programmable microcontroller. So in this project, we have used the two boards, that is RF transmitter board and the second one is RF receiver board. So whenever the receiver transmitter board transmits the signal and receiver board will receive that signal, transmitter board is connected to the ambulance and receiver board will be at the traffic junction, and transmitter board will have the four slider switches which shows that from which lane the ambulance will going to come. So whenever the ambulance person or ambulance sends the signal that from the third lane it's going to come, then receiver board will receive that signal and act accordingly. So the microcontroller Arduino Mega 2560 will change the sequence of light, and the third lane LED will be the green and other will be the red. It means that the other lanes will be having red matlab stop signal, and the lane from which the ambulance is going to come will be the green. It means that ambulance can easily pass through that traffic junction without any traffic congestion. So the main goal of our project is fulfilled. It means that ambulance can reach to the hospital with the less time required, so we can save a person's life who is in emergency condition. So from here my team member will continue with the next slide.
So here I am Shivangi Shah going to continue with this block diagram of our circuit. As you can see, is our circuit we have used 8MEGA2560 Arduino to change the sequence of traffic. So whenever the RF transmitter will send a signal by a pressing slider switch, signal is received by RF receiver. So with the help of Arduino, with sequence of the traffic light will be changed automatically. All status of a going to process will be shown on 16 cross 2 LCD. Power supply is used to provide the power of 8MEGA2560 and LCD. So here is our circuit diagram, show all the connection of our components. In very first part of connections, Arduino Mega 2560 to LCD is shown. In the right side connection, receiver module is shown. Then circuit of a power supply connection is displayed. The continuous of LED show after that. So different mini circuit make a whole project work efficiently. So from here my other team member will
component used. So here I am Mayuri Patel going to continue with component used in our circuit. Without power supply we cannot run our project. So the power supply circuit consists of transformer, rectifier and regulators. We have used step down transformer which will step down to 40 volt to 9 volt. We have used the regulator for constant output voltage. Second one is transmitting circuit. Our RF transmitter module consists of series encoder, capacitor voltage regulator and sliding switches as shown. We cannot use parallel data for transmitting module. So the series encoder will convert parallel data into the series data. Voltage regulator is used for constant output voltage. Sliding switching is used for transmit the signal. Third one is receiving circuit. Receiving circuit has series decoder which will convert the series data into the parallel data. It also contains the LED and main component receiver module. Fourth one is Arduino. We have used the Arduino Mega 2560 as the controller because it has many pins for the connections. Fifth one is LCD 6x2. LCD 16x2 will show the ongoing process of the circuit on the display. Next one is application. Application of our project is this circuit can be used in metro cities where traffic is more. It is mainly used for the emergency vehicles like fire safety vehicles, government officers and ambulance. Conclusion. So, we conclude that by this system we can save a person's life who is in emergency conditions. It is automated system, so it will reduce human effort. From here my team member will continue.
Here, I am going to explain the future scope of our project, the things which we can include in our project in the future. We can add a buzzer or the extra light at the traffic junction, so the public standing at the traffic junction will came to know that from which lane the ambulance is going to come, and they can make the way for that ambulance. And also we can use the service road gate system, from which if there is a lot of traffic at the traffic junction, then the ambulance can use that service road. And also we can use the noise sensor at the traffic junction to reduce the noise pollution. Here is our photo of our project. Here we have shown that the traffic junction and the transmitter module, receiver module and all the controller room which includes the microcontroller, and this is our project photo. Thank you.